Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change your call list to everybody on email. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Emo app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on security and privacy. After that, scroll until you find call. Then tap on it. Next, you can see the option of who can call me. Then you can see the option of everyone. Tap on it. So, this is how you can change your call list to everyone on email. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.